Hi guys, this week we're gonna talk about food which became very trendy nowadays, and even it was called as a superfood few years ago, this quinoa. And many of you don't know that this food has been eaten for thousands of years back in South America and even in Inca Empire. And even they say that it's a mother of grains. I don't know if this is true, but I know that in fact that's not a cereal grain. Basically it's a pseudo cereal, and it's seeds which we consume like grains, and that's good because it's actually gluten free for many of the people with issues like that. And I have amazing news: so far on the market there is no GMO quinoa, and I know that for many of you that's some just bullshit marketing strategy or something like that, but for people like me who had to fight cancer, it's actually pretty sensitive subject and I really care about this. So anyways, I want to give you some more information about quinoa, and as usual when we talk about topics like that, I give you some boring medical information just to give you an idea why this food is so good for you. So now we're gonna start with little bit of boring information. First, I want to inform you about its nutrition. This time I'm doing it via picture just because I think it's easier to realize the numbers on this way. And as you see, the numbers are crazy, and those percent which are down here is the amount of nutrition intake per day considered necessary for maintaining good health. Of course, this depends on the gender, your age, and things like that. As you saw, quinoa is very rich in minerals and vitamins, but I need to tell you that also contains a substance which is called phytic acid, and this acid is blocking their absorption of the body. So we can prevent this by soaking quinoa before cooking. Plus has interesting molecules which are called flavonoids, and it's very interesting that it's even richer on them than some foods which are famous with those molecules like cranberries. And thanks to them, both of those ingredients, they have anti-cancer, antiviral, anti-inflammatory and anti-depression effects. Quinoa has a lot of fibers and it's rich in proteins with all the essential acids which we need, and even has a glycemic index of 53, which is considered as low. Keep in mind that it's high in carbs, but even though I found a study which says that using quinoa decreased level of blood pressures, triglycerides and insulin, and of course increase metabolism. That's why I think it's good to include it in our diet. I can tell you, in my opinion, it's very tasty food which goes with a lot of ingredients, and now I'm gonna show you one different recipe. That's why just grab a pen and watch now.
I'm a light that's made for two, but I'm lonely, cause I'm still waiting for you. There's a million different possibilities, but I know that you're out there. I see you, you're the one that's meant for me. And time stands still, everything's quiet, lost in this moment. No one else gives it like I do. Have to be with you. Can't you see me? I'm the one you're searching for out tonight. I'll keep it coming back for more, cause I know you will see my way, but you found your one that goes out that way. I'm here to help you find your way to me. I don't wanna wait to me. I don't wanna wait. Standing in an empty, crowded room, and my heart beats when my eyes lock onto you. And I'm hoping that you finally look my way, and I can't help but stare at you, cause I know that you're the one for me. And time stands still, everything's quiet, lost in this moment. No one else gets a
As you see, it's not hard to make this recipe, and in my opinion tastes amazing. So you can try it on and let me know what you think about it in comments below. You can contact me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe the channel because I'm planning to shoot a video with few easy amazing recipes with quinoa.
So we want to say thanks to our friends Niki Pandev, Javor Sedyankov, Minchu Minchi and Desi Panteva who help us for this episode. Thank you very, very much.
And I want to say something that this guy is helping me with all the videos, so so thank you for this as well. And last but not least, I want to thank CANON for believing in me, in my idea and supporting my work. So keep watching the channel and see you next Sunday!